We'll guide you through how to clear app cache on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So when you go and have an app, it goes and has a cache. And this is sort of when you have an app open, it goes and builds up temporary data. So if you're running into a problem with the app, it's a good idea to go and clear it. But sometimes you just want to go and refresh things, and so you can go and clear it as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. It's much easier than you probably think, and we'll guide you through it. So to go and get started, you need to go and swipe up on your phone like so and open up the app screens. Now, what you want to do is go and locate the settings option. If you can't find it, you can search for the top, but you may need to go and swipe across to go and find it. Then what you can do is go and open up settings like so. Now in here, you need to go and start scrolling down, and you want to go and find the option for apps. As you can see here, it is. You want to come into it. Go and wait for this to load. When it goes and loads, now what we want to do is we can go and find the app you want to go and clear the cache for. So you can go and scroll through this list. If you're finding it's taking a long time, you can go and press search in the top right and go and find it that way. Then we can scroll down and we can go and find it. Then when you go and see it, what you want to do is go and tap on it like so. And what you can then do is scroll down and you want to go and find the option for storage. And in the bottom right of storage, you'll go and see the option for clear cache. So what you can do is go and click on it, and you go and see the cache will then go and clear. This won't go and have a huge amount of data built up in it usually, but it will do is go and refresh the app. So that's it. And you can, of course, come back and repeat that for more apps as well and continue going and clearing the cache. If I come to another app and we can scroll down and go and press storage, you can also go and press clear data over to the left as well. And this will actually go and clear the application's data, whereas the cache doesn't go and do anything, which is really important. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos.